challenge with a lot of self-help techniques and ideas is that most of them are about controlling your thoughts, trying to be happy all the time, trying to think positive, trying to program your mind for one thing or the other, affirmations. And the way it looks to me is that you and I have innate ability to be creative. We have an innate ability to intelligence, wisdom, and those abilities can be clouded by anxious thinking that kind of gums up the system, thinking that creates anxiety. And if you think about the idea of trying to think positive all the time, or getting the right affirmations, or finding the right thing to input into our subconscious mind, the idea of trying to get this right and trying to get the right thing and trying to put it in and put the affirmation in and the idea in our brain, for many people this is stress inducing. I mean, just talking about it right now, whenever, for me personally, I'll start there. Whenever I find myself swirling around, thinking of all these different things and trying to figure something out, well, that's a surefire sign that I'm in a trance. I'm in a problem trance. And to me, that's what problems are, is they are self-hypnotic trances. And the more we swirl around and sort of think about things, the more thoughts we gather, and the heavier it gets, the bigger it gets, and the more sucked into it we get, and the more our world looks clouded by this problem trance. And so one of the things that I really enjoy doing is working with people to sort of help them drop out of these trances. And it's not about me doing something to you. It's about reminding you who you truly are. Because who you truly are is consciousness itself. You are the observer of all of these thoughts. And when we fall away, when we wake up to that fact and we fall away from the troubled thinking, that's where the space of creativity, the space of wisdom is there. And this has always been there for you. It's always been there for you, even when times were extremely tough, even when it seemed like there was no way out. And the reason I know that's true for you is because you're still breathing. You're still here. All the ups and downs that you went through, your wisdom came through for you. And it will come through for you again if you allow it. And I hear you saying, how do I allow it? The tighter we grasp on to our troubled thinking, right? The more attention and focus we give it, the more importance we give it, the more it comes back to us. And so just loosening our grip, letting go as best we can, that's where it starts. It's not always easy, I know, because it seems like we really need to think more. We really need to think more and think harder. But can you see how that is just taking us further and further into the self-hypnotic trance? So take a step back. Go for a walk. Do some tapping. These are just things. What you need will occur to you in the moment. When you realize that you're caught up in a trance. It's that awareness. It's that knowing. See, whenever I'm really caught up, if I just take a step back and I ask myself, okay, what do I know to be true? And the basic essence of what I know to be true is that but for thought and feeling in the moment, underneath all that, I'm okay. Underneath that is clarity. So even when there's a storm up here, I know that underneath there's clarity. And I may not be experiencing that in the moment, but if I know that's true, it can create enough space for me to receive what I need in that moment. I hope that helps.